today we're gonna make a volcano. So I'm gonna look for the steps. It's like this. What's the step of the volcano? Here I found it. So now I'm gonna do magic. Abracadabra. I need vinegar and baking soda and coloring. Okay, now we're gonna do abracadabra thing. First, I'm gonna put the baking soda. Wow. Now, I'm gonna put the vinegar. No, not the vinegar. But now we're gonna put the coloring. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna put the vinegar. Wow. That was nice. So now let's make Oh, I know, a volcano apple. Yay! I'm gonna make an apple volcano. Let's make apple volcano. We put the baking soda. Now we put 4. Remember. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. And then we put the vinegar. Wow. So that is blue color, like the blue ocean. So it was a nice thing. I'm doing 2 experiments, and it's bye bye. Bye.